Here's another video to help you find out about shapes. This time it's making squares.
The Numberjacks are on their way. The Numberjacks are on their way.
Agent Training Video 3, Making Squares. Hi Agent, Numberjack 7 here. Let's go to the cozy room. I'm going to click here. Let's have a look at squares, Agent. Here is one little square. Can I make a bigger square with more squares? We can't make a square with 2 squares. Or 3. But maybe with 4. Yes, 4 little squares make a big square. Can we make a bigger square with little squares? Not with 5 squares, nor 6, nor 7, nor even 8 little squares. But maybe with 9. Yes, 9 is another number for making squares. OK, let's start with a big square. 1 square. Can we make a huge square with more big squares? Doesn't work with 2. Or 3. But is 4 a square number? Yes, 4 big squares make a huge square. Can we make an enormous square? 5 squares? No. 6 squares? No. Not 7. Not 8. But yes, 9 big squares make an enormous square. If you want to make squares, 1, 4 and 9 are the numbers you need. Can we make squares with other shapes? How about some oblongs or rectangles? What if we do this? Yes, these 2 rectangles side by side make a square. What about these rectangles? Yes, they make a square too. We've made squares with squares and with rectangles. Do any other shapes make squares? Let's try with a triangle. Add another one. No, that's not working. Maybe a different triangle would make a square. No. Maybe this triangle. Yes, those 2 triangles make a square. And I can use 4 triangles to make a special square. If I put this triangle here and put this triangle here, and you guess where the square is going to be? 1 more triangle. Is it going to make a special square? Yes, there it is, a white square in the middle. Bend your head over if you can't see it, Agent. So, Lots of things to know about making squares, Agent. All useful knowledge for a Numberjacks agent. Here's your certificate. This Numberjacks agent has watched training video 3, Making Squares.
Hooray! The Numberjacks are on their way. The Numberjacks are on their way.
That's good work, Agent. Don't forget to keep your eyes open for squares.